In the heart of the 18th century, in the bustling city of Glasgow, Scotland, a brilliant inventor named James Watt labored tirelessly in his workshop. The Industrial Revolution was on the horizon, and Watt was about to change the course of history. The world was a different place then. Coal, a once ignored resource, was now the lifeblood of the burgeoning industrial age. The demand for efficient and powerful machines to harness this resource was growing exponentially. Watt, a skilled instrument maker by trade, was tasked with maintaining a Newcomen atmospheric engine at the University of Glasgow. He was not initially enamored with the clumsy and inefficient machine. However, its working sparked an idea that would revolutionize the world. Watt recognized the engine's potential, but he was troubled by its inefficiency. The engine's design relied on cooling periods between strokes to condense the steam, a process that wasted more than half of the steam produced. Watt was determined to find a solution. After years of relentless tinkering and experimentation, Watt developed the Watt steam engine. This new engine, unlike its predecessor, was equipped with a separate condenser, a flyball governor for constant speed regulation, and a double-acting cylinder for continuous power. The impact of Watt's invention was profound. The steam engine was no longer confined to pumping water from mines. It could now drive a multitude of machinery, from textile mills to pumping stations, propelling the Industrial Revolution into full swing. Watt's steam engine marked a turning point in history. It was a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. The steam engine revolutionized the world, making possible the rapid industrialization that would shape the modern world. Yet, Watt's story is not just one of invention and innovation. It is a story of persistence and determination in the face of adversity. Watt's journey from a skilled instrument maker to a pioneer of the Industrial Revolution serves as a reminder of the transformative power of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. In the end, Watt's steam engine stood not just as a symbol of the Industrial Revolution, but as a beacon of hope and progress, heralding a new era for mankind. As we look back on Watt's remarkable achievement, we are reminded of the boundless potential of human imagination and the incredible power of invention.